Seeing the DirectX 9 DLL in your favorite title. I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. This DLL file is an essential DirectX 9 helper file. It provides applications with extra graphics tools for geometry processing and 3D modeling, which are vital for the execution of numerous PC games released between 2008 and 2010. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The DirectX 9 Update 41 DLL functions as a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. In cases where the official installer remains ineffective, we must escalate to a manual review of your system's active runtime state. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the DirectX 9 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Remember that manual replacement of the DirectX 9 Update 41 DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The diagnostic maintenance tool linked below offers background information for scanning the DirectX 9 related issues. If your workstation is back online and DirectX End-User Runtime is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.